Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is Boxycharm time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my October base box, and I am super glad to get this month's box. I think that we've got a really good box this month, and the theme for this month is Candy Shop. I think this is a really cute theme for this month. I also got variation 68 for this month's Boxycharm box. If you don't know about the variation numbers, that number just indicates the individual items that would be a part of your particular box for that month. I used the eyeshadow palette that came in my Boxycharm box this month to create this gorgeous eye look. I also used the lip product that was in this month's box to moisturize and to add a little tint to my lips. So I think that this look turned out really pretty. So you guys will be able to see me creating this look in the demo portion of this video, so be sure to stick around for that. But let's go ahead and get into unboxing this base box. I am going to have to use my glasses today, so let's go ahead and put those on so that I can tell you guys exactly what we have in this box. So this first item is from Bakerie, and this is the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This is a gorgeous palette, and I did use this palette to create this gorgeous look today. This look is everything. The shadows blended out really easily, and the info card states Bakerie's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up. And the suggested retail price for the Bakerie Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is $38. And this next item is from Grown Alchemist. This is a matte balancing moisturizer with acaberry and barago. So, I have not heard of this. Not sure what this is, but this is what this looks like. It is a tube, and let's see. Oh, it's got a little protective cover on it, so I don't want to take that off right now. But the info card states that the Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer with Acaberry and Barago is a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. So yeah, this is interesting. This is the first time I've ever heard of this brand or even heard of this product. Ooh, and the retail suggested price for this product is $69. Wow, $69. I'll be sure to come back and let you guys know what I think of this product when I actually use it. And the next item in my box is from Murad, and it is the AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. And the info card states, this multitasking cleansing exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. And the retail price for the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser is $40. And this next item is from Sol de Janero. I really do like the brand Sol de Janero. I love their Bum Bum Cream. This is their Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capuacu Lip Butter. I hope I said that right. But yeah, this is a lip product from Sol de Janero. I'm using this on my lips today, and I must say that it feels really good on my lips. This is the shade of this product. Very pretty. I like this a lot. And the info card states that this is a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of capuacu butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits with a scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. I hope I pronounced that right as well. And the retail price is $20. So yeah, this is a really nice product. I think this may go into my little daily makeup carrying bag that I carry in my purse on a daily basis. Very, very nice product. I love how this feels on my lips. And the last item that came in my box is from Spongel. We've gotten these items from Spongel a couple of times, or at least I've gotten them a couple of times in my box. And the info card states that this Spongel has collaborated with Boxycharm to create a limited edition body wash infused buffer. This buffer with built-in body wash are infused with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vivateer root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. And the suggested retail price is $20. So again, as I said, we've had this in our Boxycharm boxes a couple of times already, and I have tried this product and it's not one of my favorites, but this is a new fragrance. This may be a little bit different, so I'm not quite sure if I will keep this or if I will put this in one of the giveaways that I've got coming up here really soon. So as usual, I have added up the cost of all of the 5 items that came in this month's base box from Boxycharm, and the total cost of all the items in my base box is $187. You guys know that I pay substantially less than $187 for my box. So if you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. I pay about $25 a month for my base box. And you also have the option to upgrade to receive the Boxy Luxe box, which comes to you every 3 months if you'd like. You guys have seen me do an unboxing of my Boxy Luxe items. It's a really good option. I enjoy receiving my Boxy Luxe box. I have not yet decided to upgrade from the base box to the premium box just yet, because I am pretty satisfied with getting the monthly base box and the quarterly Luxe box. So I think I'm in pretty good shape. I'll leave a link in the description box of this video if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm. You can use that link, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com and sign up to start receiving your own box. So let's get into the demo portion of this video. So my face has been prepped, and I've also prepped my eyes, and I am going to go into the Breakfast in Bed palette here from Bakerie, and I'm going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Forehead Kisses, and I'm going to use this as my brow bone highlight. This is a matte shade, so normally I would use a shade that has a little bit of a shimmer in it as my brow bone highlight, but I like a good matte brow bone highlight as well from time to time, and this is a beautiful shade for a brow bone highlight. I am now going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Messy Hair, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. This is a really pretty shade, and this palette is performing pretty good so far on the matte shades. I'm not getting any kick up in the pan, or very little. I should say very little kick up in the pan. And it's blending out beautifully. Very nice. This is my first eyeshadow palette from Bakerie, and so far, so good. I'm now going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Yawning, and I'm going to use this on my outer V and sweep it into my crease area. Yawning is very close in color to my transition shade, which is called Messy Hair. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. It looks a little bit deeper in the pan, but on my eye, these are looking pretty close. I'm going to build this up in the crease area a little bit. I am getting a little bit of kick up in the pan on this shade, but not much. And I'm just mentioning this to you guys just as an observation, right? Just so that you kind of know what to expect. Should you find yourself purchasing this palette or find it in your collection some way, you'll kind of know what to expect from these shadows in terms of formula. I am now going to use this shade right here, which is called Fresh Face, and I'm going to start applying this on the inner corner of my eye and just work my way out. I'm not carving out my lid or anything like that today. I'm using my MAC 242 brush. You guys have heard me talk about this MAC 242 quite a bit. It is still one of my must-have brushes because it is so versatile. I can do so much with it. Very pretty. And I'm now going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Pajamas. And I'm going to use this shade starting where the Fresh Face ends, and I'm going to take it out towards the outer corner here. I'm going to go back and do some more blending of my outer corner, but I want to go ahead and get this pajamas shade down. I'm going to continue with my 242 brush. I'm going to go back into the shade right here. The shade is called Yawning, and this is the shade that I originally used on my outer V and swept it into the crease. So I'm going to go back into this shade once again. I'm going to use my Sigma E36 brush, and I am going to add a little bit more definition into this look. You guys know how I do this. Very pretty. And I want to do a little bit something more with this eye look. I want to use more shades out of this palette. So I'm going to go into this shade right here. This shade is called French Doors. And I am going to use this shade starting in the inner corner and taking it right up against the edge of this Fresh Face. Fresh Face is this shade right here. This is the shade that I used in the inner corner of my eye. But I'm going to take the French Doors and put this right in here just to add a little bit more lightness, or just to lift this look, this eye look, just a little bit more. So just gently, just right in there. I'm switching over to this brush here. This is a Morphe brush. I'll put the name of the brush up on the screen for you guys, but this has a pointy tip on it. I like using this type of brush when I'm trying to add some definition or detail into an eye look. It works really well for that. So I am going to put this eyeshadow just on the tip end of this brush and put it right in here. My complexion is done, and I am ready to smoke out my waterline. I'm going to go back into this shade right here. This shade is called Yawning. This is the shade that I used in my crease area, and I'm going to use this to give me just a little bit of smoke in my waterline area here. And I think I'm going to go back into this shade right here. This shade is French Doors, and I am going to drag this shade into my inner corner just a little bit more. This is the shade that I use to highlight, or to bring a little bit more lightness into this area right here. So I'm just going to continue on with it. Just bring it down into my inner corner and connect it here on the bottom. It is now time for lips, and I am going to use the lip product that came in my Boxycharm box, and this is from Sol de Janero. And unfortunately, I cannot tell you guys what color this is because I don't see the color on the box, and if it is on the box, it's so small that I can't see it. But this is what this product looks like. This is so pretty. Love this. And I'm not going to line my lips. I'm just going to go in straight away. This is a tinted moisturizer. Ooh, and this is looking so pretty already. It has a really natural type of smell. No fragrance or perfumey smell. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.